right now, even though it's been hot.
We've got to protect those honeybees.
Yes, we got to protect them, but as long as they're not impacting people, I guess we're okay. In Pacific Beach, our Skycam looking beautiful at this hour. Check it out. That sunset is going to be majestic up and down the coast. So nice, but so warm. Even the water now approaching 80 degrees, 78 degrees in average. But as we know, we've been telling you every week, we're going to keep setting records here. Also, temperature records with our excessive heat warning in effect for another day until 8 p.m. away from the coastline. But it's also going to be pretty warm if you're near the water. Temperatures will average right around 86 degrees tomorrow. Inland communities looking at numbers closer to 100 degrees. It's going to be toasty and also very dry on Tuesday, but expect monsoonal moisture to make a return by Wednesday. And as it moves back into the county, we will see a chance for thunderstorms, most likely in the afternoon and also into the evening. It's been very active across the Pacific. You can see here Hurricane Hector, a major hurricane now. It is good news for Hawaii. It looks like it's going to stay just south of the island. So that's fantastic news. That means all the impacts will stay away. 72 degrees tonight in Poway, 72 also, or 73 rather, in Escondido, 71 in San Diego. And as we make our way up into the mountains, no break tonight, mid 70s in Palomar Mountain, also 74 in Julian. Pretty toasty across the county. Expecting those numbers, though, to be warm, and as we add the humidity, get ready to be uncomfortable here. I'd say that everyone was uncomfortable today, but it's going to be more so with that humidity moving back in. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, around 84 Tuesday, Wednesday at the coast, upper 80s Thursday, Friday, and then we'll keep it around 85 on Saturday. So certainly pretty warm at the coast. Inland, near 100 degrees. Then we go back to humid on Wednesday and Thursday with a chance for thunderstorms. Friday still going to be hot, around 96 degrees. In our mountains, 96 on Tuesday and up to 112 in the deserts. But it's when the humidity comes back that it really gets uncomfortable.
Yeah, we're just going to have to bear it.
Yep.
Get through it.
Thanks, Angelica. All right, talk about